Hi there. Welcome to another episode of Matayong 6 Writing. We are now on our fifth episode. I'm Master Nell and join me today as we talk about outlining and writing a paragraph with the theme of why students should do volunteer work. Our topic for today will be about paragraph, particularly about outlining and writing it. So, are you ready? Let's get started. This lesson will be composed of important parts: outlining, writing, and task. But before we start with outlining, we must keep in mind that brainstorming comes first. Why? Simple. First, this is where we generate ideas. Second, before arranging those ideas, we must organize or cluster them into groups. Hence, we'll be able to choose whichever one of them is the most effective and strongest of them all. But wait, we still have a long way before outlining. We need to find out first, what does it mean, and how can we apply it in our writing? So, let's try to find out, what does it mean. It is a description of facts or points that is involved in something. Also, it allows us to organize our sentences or paragraphs in an order that make sense. Plus, it makes sure that ideas can be fully developed. Now, how do we apply it in our writing? To apply it, we must keep in mind these important parts as it will serve as our guide while writing. Title. This is the name of your paragraph. Topic sentence. This is where we can find the main idea or the writer's opinion. And last, details that would give clarity and explanation to our topic sentence. Were you able to follow? Brilliant job. To fully utilize the way it looks, here is a sample diagram on how our outline should be organized. Starting from the title, then the topic sentence, down to the last detail of our paragraph. So there you have the first part. Let's try applying it in our writing. We will have a sample activity. We are going to choose which examples are correct for the specific parts of our outline. Are you ready? Let's begin. You have here a group of examples connected with one another. Our job is to find which one of them belongs to the specific part of an outline. To begin, let's start with the first one. Where is the title? Great, it's this one. Second, where is the topic sentence? Awesome, it's this one. And last but not the least, the remaining group of examples are your details. So far, are you getting it? Awesome job. Let's now proceed to the next one. Now that we know which is which, we can now arrange them properly in our diagram. Here is what your outline would look like if you fill them up with the correct parts. You are welcome to pause this clip to keep in mind this example. Once you're done, we can now proceed to the next part. Now that we have our outline, the next phase would be writing a paragraph. Just to show an example, here is our sample paragraph based on our outline earlier. Did you notice something different? You're right. There's some info that was not included in our outline earlier. First off, we have these words. What do you think are they called? You're right again. They are transitional words. We use them to connect sentences to achieve cohesion in our paragraph. Next one, we have these details. It is important when it comes to writing that we explain our details more so that we can give more clarification and information to our readers. So far, were you able to follow? Brilliant job. We finished the two parts of our lesson for this clip. Excellent work! Now, it's time for the conclusion of our lesson for today. What will be your task for this episode? Based on our lesson, you will try to make your own paragraph with the topic Students should do volunteer work. But hold on, be sure to watch the previous clips first so that you will get an idea of what our specific topic will be. Moreover, you should apply what you have learned in this lesson to come up with a paragraph that has cohesion and coherency. Good luck, everyone! We've now finished the three parts. Great work! Hope it's been an educational yet fun learning for you. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for joining me on our lesson for this day. Hope to see you again as we continue on our journey to be an effective writer using the English language. This is Master Nell. Thank you and goodbye.